There is a saying, चिंता चिता के समान है. Stress or tension is equivalent to death. Hi folks, this is Shivani and welcome back to my channel. After discovering ourselves, today Brain Medley will help you discover and decrease your life stress. Also, we will learn how to tackle stress from Lord Ganesha. So watch this video till end. You can share your thoughts in the comment section. Let's begin. Stress was primarily discovered in 1936, but today found to be the most dangerous and alarming cause of most diseases and sixth leading cause of death. Almost every person is suffering from some or the other stress at different levels. It seems this is a world of stress, or we can say it a syndrome of the century. In the worst situations, stress leads to heart disease, cancer, lung problems, accidents, liver problems, suicide, and death. Shocked? Let's have a look on some facts. 80% of workers feel stressed on the job in US. 60% population in Japan is suffering from stress. As per WHO, stress rate in India is the highest, that is 89%, which is even more than the global average of 86%. Also, women always are more prone to stress than men. Let's know first what is stress and how it happens. Stress is a reaction of body when it feels something non-favorable against our capability. Let's see how. When we take stress, our blood circulation increases and we need more energy. This is the time when our body burns up to 95% of our energy. And if the process continues, it leads to diabetes and many more problems. We all know that stress is bad for us. But one thing which we don't know, stress in a limit is good for us and keep us positive, motivated and protect us from danger. Our body also designed to experience stress, and that's why when stress happens, a fight response system is activated. That's the reason stress is said to be a normal reaction of the body. On the other hand, prolonged stress can destroy our physical and mental health. So now for us, it's important to understand how to deal with the most common reasons causing stress. Parallelly, we will also see the most effective and easiest solution. The first identified reason of stress was due to money or financial problems. To deal with this, you need to first get into the habit of savings by setting saving goals. Track your spending and eliminate unnecessary expenses. You can also use digital finance tools to work. These things will surely help you manage your finances. The next most common stress is workplace stress. Few things, if we keep in mind, we can take off the workplace stress from our life. Take only that much burden which you can handle. Know your limits. Remember, you are a human being, not a human doing. Take breaks within your working hours. If feel stressed, take a deep breath and have some dark chocolates. Learn to say no. Remember, taking on too much will not give you anything. Keep yourself updated with the technology so that you cannot face any challenge or failure in work due to this. If you feel anger or stressed, if things are against you and you are trying to write a harsh mail or planning a hot discussion with someone, Write it and plan it completely. Then take a break. When you come back, you yourself realize your way of dealing with the situation was not correct. The third major reason for stress is self illness or health issues. This may be due to an unhealthy lifestyle. For this, you first need to learn to stay healthy and happy, which is only possible by following all this. Have a look. Start yoga or meditation. Harness the power of laughter. Take a healthy and balanced diet. Do some mind and body relaxation exercises. Take out some time for yourself and enjoy your hobbies. Reduce caffeine intake and increase cuddling. Sleep well. Apart from all this, few more reasons can keep you in stress. One can be your past. This stress can be due to some past traumatic events happen in your life, like natural disaster, failures, or broken relationships. But you need to forget your past and move on. Try to forgive those who wronged you, including yourself. Go to new places. Make new friends. This will find a new meaning to your life. Remember, you cannot start the next chapter of your life if you keep rereading the last one. Now coming to the most important section of this video and see how Lord Ganesha taught us the principles of stress management. His elephant head symbolizes that when in difficulty, use your wisdom, intelligence, and think differently. Here, wisdom means think before you speak. The big elephant ears signify listening to everybody when in difficulty. Elephant eyes, seeing long distance, which represents acquiring a quality of foreseeing when in difficulty. Mouth of Lord Ganesha represents speaking less and listening more. The teeth, broken and unbroken, signify to be in a state of balance in loss and gain. By following all these, you will definitely take out the unnecessary stress from your life. Just trust yourself and make it happen. I will take your leave now with a thought. Don't take life too seriously. You will never get out of it alive. Goodbye and stay tuned.